Hi, sorry. Hi, I'm Aika. I am a video producer from BuzzFeed New York. So I was watching this video on Bring Me of this little shop where they make these super cute character macarons. I love macarons and I love cute stuff. So I flew all the way from New York to the OC to learn how to make these macarons from Leanne, the owner of the shop. So here we are at Honey and Butter.
So we're gonna be making red pandas today because Inga loves bears. We're gonna do 2 heads, 2 full bodies, and then the last one, we're gonna do a challenge by making a regular panda right on top of a red panda. So let's get started. I think we're done with my tray. So let's go to you.
Take a good look at this now, because mine will not look like this.
No, I think you will do really good, especially if I'm right behind you. It's like, no, you gotta do that again.
Shall we?
Yeah, watch out, this is dripping.
Already I messed up. Oh my god, okay.
There you go. So you gotta start right away.
Okay, so like this.
Yep, squeeze it.
Wow, that's a distorted looking face. How's that look?
Hopefully it'll settle once you tap it.
Okay.
Now we're gonna apply the ears. First, you gotta trim the bag.
So like here?
Mm-hmm.
Is it too small?
No, it looks fine.
Well, why does mine look like it's really
So what you
struggling?
wanna do is you wanna do it all in one go. Be confident with your batter deposit.
Okay,
A lot of batter.
Oh,
Just like that.
Okay, got it. Oh my god. Got this. I feel so sorry. I want to say it's like Botox, but I don't think I should say that.
It's batter injection. So about a third way up, and right in the middle of the face, you're gonna do the snout.
Okay. Is that enough?
Yep, that's good.
Whew. My hands are shaking. I think that looks a little bit better. Maybe.
Oh yeah. But these guys are supposed to be full body.
Oh,
you can lay it over. No, I think we can lay it over there.
Okay. This is not easy at all. Did I cover this?
Oh, that tip might be a little bit big. There you go.
This is like a concealer.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool.
All right, covering this.
Yeah. Whew. Next is we're gonna do the eyes.
I'm scared. Oh no. Okay.
Side-eye pandas.
I feel like, okay. See what I did there? Okay. Triangle for the nose. Nope, I gave him a button. I can't talk and like do this at the same time. I'm so scared. No.
Whew. Let's give this some claws.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
No! He just stuck his paw in mud or something.
Right?
Okay.
So we're gonna do the face.
And which one am I supposed to be squeezing it in?
Your right hand. And your left hand is used to guide it.
Oh.
Oh, maybe that's why. Because this is like second nature to me. I think you were squeezing with both hands.
Yeah, and I was squeezing with my left hand, but not with my right hand.
Yeah, squeeze with just your right hand. This hand is used to guide the tip.
Okay.
So wherever your tip is moving, use to guide it.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
All right. Did I do it?
Nice work. Looks great.
At least I recognize it still. I was worried it would just be like a lump of art.
Blob. You ready to bake these? See how they turn out?
Yes, I'm excited. Bye-bye, babies.
Yay! Very important. Don't set the timer. We're gonna bake these for...
Thank you.
So in 30, we'll come back and we'll see how they...
Cool. Righty. I think this shop is like super cute. Like it's not just the macarons, but like the whole display of things, like the whole decoration. I really want to know, like, how do you come up with this concept, like this idea?
So this whole shop basically is my entire personality injected into it. Yeah, everything you see here, from the macarons to all the tsum tsums, all the merchandise that we sell, and the drink sleeves as well is a reflection of who we are. And macarons is something I knew I definitely wanted to do since I was doing it as a hobby. And it brought me a lot of joy, so I just continue doing that and said maybe I can try selling it to see how it would be, and I dropped everything and I focused on just doing this small business. I enlisted the help of my mom to help clean. I know, moms are the best. And then my family eventually came to help, and here we are. So these are done baking, and what you want to look for is, in a good bake, you're going to have a cookie with a flat bottom like this. Looking pretty good.
Ooh,
Looking great. Some of you at the bottom maybe didn't bake so well, but these guys look great.
Yay.
This is a cause for celebration. Every time they come out so clean and pretty like this, it's like a happy dance. So you want to go as liberal as possible.
Oh.
And cover it, but not so much that it oozes outside. So you can sandwich it right in the middle, just like that, so you could see the filling, but it's not like on the outside.
Okay.
Now you try.
All right. This is the
Berries. Enchanted berries.
Enchanted berries. That? Is that good?
Yep, that's good. Yeah.
So like.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Dunk it in. All right.
Gently press it.
Get all that cereal in there. That looks good.
Okay.
More filling.
More filling.
Fill it up. A little bit on top.
More.
Good.
Oil. And they are done. We're gonna do a little comparison here. Who do you think did better? Don't answer that question. I already know the answer. But I mean, I'm just happy that mine is at least recognizable.
I just want to eat it.
Mine looks like his face melted a little bit, but still a red panda. Cheers. Oh man, you went straight for the baby panda. I'm gonna save the baby panda.
In the middle.
It's so good.
It's soft on the inside, and the buttercream is melty.
It's like chewy on the inside, but slightly hard on the outside, which crispy on the outside, which is what you want. Wait, but they're so cute. I'm like so torn, but I can't stop eating it, so whatever. So good. So, how do you think I performed? Did I do okay?
I think you did really well. The question is, will you be able to do this by yourself at home?
I think maybe, but like, one, I think I need you here to kind of guide me a little bit. And then two, I don't know how to make the batter. Like, I feel like the batter is the hardest part. So the answer is no.
I think we should do episode 2, where she comes back and we teach her batter. So you can do everything at home.
I am down. But like, what time do I have to come to make the batter again?
As early as you can. 4 a.m.
Yeah, okay, no. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you
Thank
for.
you.
Thank you. Come get your own cute macarons.